Alright, so the motors and the brackets and the hubs have arrived. So yeah, we are good to go for Fab Lab process. Okay, now we have defined our velocity to be 3 km per hour with a torque per leg of 0.61 Newton meter, and the radius of the wheel is 0.038 meter. Okay, now let's go on to how can we calculate the energy needed by the battery and energy that we need. Okay, so this is how we calculate the energy of the battery. It's AH times V times 3600 seconds, which is equivalent to 1 hour. And the energy required is force times velocity times 600 seconds, which is equivalent to 10 minutes. Okay, now comes to the correct way of choosing the motor. Okay, this is the motor that we have chose. It's a 12 volt DC motor with a no load torque of around 1.0 Newton meter. Okay, this is a torque versus velocity graph. So in this graph, when you give the required torque, you will get the respective velocity along the graph. So for example, we have a 0.6 Newton meter torque, and we compare that to this graph, which is the motor's graph. We are getting around 0.833 meter per second. Yeah, and basically this is how we choose the motor. We look at the graph and we look at where does our value of the torque stands, and then we try and map it to the velocity, and if the velocity gives us what we need, this will be the motor that will be useful for our project. Yeah, that's about it.